Hello everyone, so today we are going to discuss about this task. Okay, so the task is trying to ask us to convert a list which consists of a few element, which is here is a few digit 8351 into an integer. Okay, that means you want to the expected output is just 8351 one as a integer and not a list. So how are we going to convert a list into an integer? So we can think of the way when you write down an integer in mathematics. So for example, if we are writing 83, just 83, we know that 83 are made up of 80 plus 3. Yes? Okay. The next one, let's say I'm writing down 835. We also know that 835 is actually 830 plus with 5. So if you were to compare the two examples that I mentioned above, you can find that there are some similarity. So you will find that actually we can just use this the first value, the 8, we can times it with 10 and then plus with the next digit we will get 83. Okay, so if I want to get 835, I can just uh times 10 83. Okay, the first two digit times with 10 and then add with 5, and that's how I get 835. So I do it respectively no matter how long is the list. I just need to uh keep multiplying 10 for the digit in front and just adding to the next digit. I can get a integer. So using this concept, we are going to solve this question, and let's just move on to the algorithm. So what I'm doing in my code is I will initiate one variable is called total, and I will initiate it with the value of 0, and then I will I will multiply the total, okay, the value here by 10 and then add the digit and then add to the next digit as what I mentioned above. So I will just continue this process for all the digits in the list, okay, until I get a final integer. So my code start with define. Okay, this one in Python is actually define is allowing you to do a function. So this one is the name of the function, and this is a parameter, which is what do you input into your function. So basically this function will allow us to convert list into integers. Okay, so um, this is our expected output. Okay, so first of all, as what I say, I will initiate the total equals to 0, and I start iterating through each digit in the list. Okay, so I am using the for loop. Okay, for loop. So for it will start going every element in the list until it go until the last one. Then only the for loop will end. Okay, so what this sentence means is for digit, that means the particular digit. For that means keep repeating the same process digit by digit. Okay, for digit in digits. So if you look at these digits here, it is same as this. That means this is the digits that I input into this function, which in another word here it represents the list. All right, so for digit in digits, that means you iterate everything here. Okay, so the total is equals to total times 10 plus the digit. Okay, so I give you an example, it will make it more clear. So when the first round the function run through this, it will use 0 because the first total is 0. Total value will make it as 0. 0 times 8 plus with 8, so you get 8. So the first for loop, after it run the first for loop, the total value here it will become 8. Okay, so when it run the second digit here, now the total is already 8. So the second time it loop through this for loop is actually 8 times 10, that means 80 plus 3. That means I will get 83. Does it make sense? Okay, so you keep repeating until the end. So and then at last I just return the total. That means I just return the value here. Okay, so this is a few test case. So this is just this is the, let's say I'm giving this list, and this is the expected output, and I'm giving this list, and this is the expected output, and this is an empty list. For sure the expected output is 0. So let's just run this and check whether the value is correct. Yep, it looks good. So that's all for today. Thank you.